In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DocuSign AutoPlace fields on templates. We'll start inside DocuSign eSignature. Once you're logged in, go to the Templates section, then click New and choose Create Template. From here, enter a template name and description, and upload the document you want to use. This is the file where your fields will be placed automatically, so make sure you're working with the correct version before moving on. Next, add your recipient roles. For example, you might have a client and a company representative. If your workflow requires documents to be signed in a specific sequence, set the signing order now. This part matters because every field you place later needs to be assigned to the correct recipient. Now it's time to prepare the document for AutoPlace. Add a unique anchor string anywhere you want a field to appear. Examples include /signature1, /date1/ and /initials1/. These anchor strings act like markers that tell DocuSign exactly where to place each field. It's important that each anchor is unique and typed consistently. If you don't want signers to see those markers, you can hide them by changing the text color to white or matching it to the document background. Even if the text isn't visible to the signer, DocuSign can still detect it. After that, open the Add Field screen, select the recipient who needs the field, then add the appropriate field type, such as signature, date signed, initials, or text. Click the field you just added, open its properties, expand the location section, and find AutoPlace, then click Setup. Here, enter the exact same anchor text you placed in the document. Exact matching is important because even a small difference can prevent DocuSign from finding the marker. Once that's entered, click Apply. DocuSign will scan the document and automatically place a copy of that field at every location where the matching anchor text appears. Take a moment to review each page carefully. Make sure the fields appear in the right places and adjust the size or position if needed. If you move a field slightly, DocuSign can remember that placement offset in the template, which helps keep future documents consistent. Repeat this process for other field types using separate anchor strings like signature for signatures, initials for initials, date for date signed, and name for full name. Also double check that each field is assigned to the correct signer, especially if multiple people will be completing the same document. Once everything looks good, review the recipient settings and save the template by clicking Save and Close. To test it, create a new envelope using the template, add your recipients, and review the document before sending. Confirm that all fields appear automatically in the expected locations. If everything looks correct, send the test envelope. That way, your recipients will see properly placed fields without you having to manually drag each one into place.